Namar ka jingpan Kenya ki kyndon ki balabu pynkheiñ Dakatanat Election Commission of India, Chief Electoral Officer ka Meghalaya uba Frederick Kyrwoh ulethu, ban nakaliang jong ka office u District Election Officer, haringkat bat u Returning Officer, kila shimkhia bha halor ka jingpan Kenya jong ki YouTuber hakabaya day bat ka election hasoyong. Kuman cukudo bagi YouTuber na po ka jalla ha ka janmit jong ka pratarek kila Kenya ki kyndon, wat hadin bagi bor penyat na ka office u CEO kila khang, ba an la su ban tap video ya ka jengalap election po soyong, hadin ka saw baje janmit, ka ba day ru ka si khatdu, na ka banta ki kertong ban pan ka jingkersan na ki paj ba jong ka constituency. Henry, kumbala sakhi, wat na kalyang jong gilat patay kubor dan shu ki tap video po ki channel halor ka tege jingalang, pause, na kalyang ki YouTuber, wat hadin balakot kaporu ki dang tap bet yaki video jong ki tege jingalang, klam da bot renti yaki kyndon ka Election Commission. Habay kran bekilat patay kubor u Chief Electoral Officer uba Frederick Kyrwoh ulethu, ban nakalyang jong ka office u District Election Officer, haringkat bat u Returning Officer, kiladap ban ay da ka show cause notice, bat kerpat ru yaki pulet ban pej banyak na ka banta ki YouTuber, ki tap yaki video hadin balakot kapor, kabalong saw puprakanta shwa ban tap vote.
So from the office of the District Election Officer, they have taken cognizance of these two complaints, and show cause was also issued against both the perpetrators, and also I think request has also been sent to the police to identify the uploader, and once reply to show cause notice is received by the office of the District Election Officer and the Returning Officer, necessary penal action will follow, and of course we have to get the responses, and after that there's also a mechanism by which it can be escalated to the ECI after we receive the show cause and replies. Then from ECI they have a kind of an SOP whereby they can take down these kind of this kind of content can be taken down, but of course you have to establish first the antecedents and also establish the facts, whether it actually deviates or not from the laid down protocols. So the first steps have already been taken. The show cause notices have been issued. The police have been asked to identify who are the uploaders. Then the other course of action will follow.